Good late afternoon, everybody. On Thursday, the 14th of January, 2021, the Bullwinkles loved the cannabis plays today. It was Reefer Madness Thursday for what I laughingly have to call the healthcare sector. Let's take a look at three that are really making some noise. The Robin Hooders are all over these ones, and I'm going to start with APHA, how the hell do you pronounce that? Whatever it is, APHA. Look at this beautiful Maribozu candle on today's action with enormous volume, the highest volume maybe in 52 weeks at 47.2 million. And look at this, reaching for the sky money stream. Here comes institutional order flow. On APHA, let's define a completely new octave on this bad boy. And to do that, we'll take the low of December 29th, $6.65, and we'll go ahead and anchor it to today's high, up there at $12.85. Bring in our Python-based diatonic calculator. We'll set up this new octave. 1285 on the high note, the higher do. 665 on the lower part of the octave, the root do, if you will. And we'll crunch it. We crack out 1285, today's high. It's going to go into a higher ascending octave. First price target up from here will be 1362. If it gets to 1439, which would be a shock point, it should rocket up to 1491 on APHA. And the second Cabana boy over the pool deck today for the Reefer Madness cannabis plays, pot plays, is going to be Tilray, which is of course a merger partner of APHA. So they're running in tandem. Again, a beautiful, beautiful monster Maribozu candle. Very solid, huge body, and even at the lows today, which didn't get that low, look at the buyers coming in to fight over this thing. Volume is the highest since November the 6th. 83.9 million shares. Money stream on this one as well is just beautiful angle of attack and awesome slope, again indicating institutional order flow. We're going to use the same dates. We're going to take the 29th of December with the low of $7.90 to today's high of 1941 on TLRY. Define our price octave, which, as stated, 1941, upper side of the octave, 7.90 from December 29th, the lower do on the octave. Let's calculate. We take out today's high anytime soon, above 1941. The first point of resistance will be $20.84. If it can clear that, it will open the door to $22.28, which again is usually a shock point. Final resistance on a swing trade for now, $23.24 on TLRY. Booyah! We'll go ahead and wrap it up for this slate tonight with Kronos Group, CRON. Not quite as impressive as the other two, but it is a pot stock, and who doesn't love pot? I know I did, and still do. And I waited 45 years for this crap to become legal. Not quite as big a candle, but still a very bullish candle nonetheless up here today. Volume quite a bit smaller than the APHA or TLRY, but still a very decent slope. Not quite as dramatic, but still a decent slope on money stream. And for CRON, let's grab the December 31st low, which is down at $6.90. Today's high, $11.62 for Cronus. I've got our diatonic values already entered into the flux capacitor. Let's crunch it. If we crack today's high anytime soon and we look to the higher octave, we could first look for $12.21 or thereabouts. Excuse me, the shock point would be at $12.79. Ultimate swing trade resistance for the near term at $13.19 for CRON. Guys, if you like the content going on here when I do these daily or weekly or whenever I get around to doing them, give me a thumbs up in the YouTube channel, but more importantly, subscribe to the channel. It's free. It's absolutely free. It always has been. And there's a good 50 or 60 lessons in there, spanning some 15 years. It's a time capsule, if you will, with a lot of my hideous screeds and inane drivel. But there's a lot of things you can learn in there if you're so inclined. Subscribe to the video. All right, everybody. I am KingCambo. APHATLRY CRON. Smoking if you got 'em, because I will be. And that's how I roll for Thursday, Reefer Madness, January 14th, 2021.